But the whole thing for me was really just to regain focus. I think in order to complete something like that for 75 days, and whether it be 5 or 6 tasks at hand, you really at all times got to make sure that you're marking off each task. And you got to make sure you're taking that picture at the end of the day. But where I see it paying off, what would you saying no about?
That picture, bro. The picture,
That picture, man, is ridiculous. Every
Two
time I feel like
times.
I done did something. Every time I feel like I done did something, man, I take that picture and my wife turn the phone around. You know what I mean? But what I'm really starting to see, I think where it is the mental part of it, and I guess physical, is because when you start getting on day 11, and you're working out 2 times a day, what happens is that body, as you start getting a little bit older, that body don't feel the same. And so you got to really think about it. 2 45-minute workouts, your feet are going to start killing you. And so what's going to happen is some of those workouts, you're really going to have to push through it, whether your feet hurt or wearing slides all day, so that you can throw your shoes on later on. Just little things like that, having to adjust. I wake up in the morning, I take Tylenol. I take Tylenol with an allergy pill in the morning. Just little things that just make sure that I'm able to recover my body for the workouts later on that day.
So the picture for me was, it exposed my attention to detail.
Okay.
Right, to where I failed twice in the 40s and 50s. Because
really?
Because I didn't take a picture. But it's because what's it called?
It's the little things they say.
It's the little things, and I'm pushing. Things. I'm like, I fucking killed the day. I'm ready to go. And then
cortisol shot.
Wake up, take a cortisol shot. I'm good. It was just the picture for me got me twice.